Hello, Victor, and everyone over there at Andrade Concrete and Construction. My name is Charles. First of all, please thank Andrade for speaking to me. It was a pleasure. I'm shooting this video because I was doing some research in your area, and I just saw that like I told Andrea, there's some opportunities available, and I just wanted to shoot you a quick video. First question you might ask is, why am I doing this? Well, I'm doing this because I understand as business owners, a lot of business owners do not have the time to learn about this kind of stuff. And also, there's so much information out there. Sometimes business owners do not know who to go with, or they've been burnt in the past. So I just wanted to give you some recommendations that you can use yourself. I wanted to prove myself by just giving you some value. If you like what you see and you think I have some good tricks up my sleeve, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. So, the three things I want to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. These three things will help you draw more and more clients, and I'm going to go into how and why in this video. As we all know, these days 90% of adults use Google to search for local businesses, and furthermore, about 70% do not leave the front page. I'm going to show you the numbers that I researched and show you what is available if you are on the front page of Google. So the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm here at your website, and everything that I've highlighted that you can see is Google considers as content. Although text on your page, the pictures, the words behind the pictures, meaning like now if I try and save one of your pictures, I'll see it's just saved as paving pour 6. It's advisable to save your pictures with keywords. And keywords are those phrases that people type into Google to look for your business. For example, if I'm in Houston and I'm looking for a concrete company like yours, one of the most obvious things I would type into Google would be something like concrete contractors Houston. And then I'll find my results. Now, I have a tool, and it's called Ahrefs. It's an expensive tool, but it's also very popular. And with it, I can tell how many people search for this. For example, concrete contractors Houston, about 500 people search for it every month. And I can also tell which of your competitors, which domains get most of the traffic. For example, I'm not sure if you recognize any of these guys, but HoustonConcrete.com gets about 59 of them. Texas Concrete Ready Mix gets 47 people. Imagine what that would do for you if you had that many people coming to your site. Obviously, the conversion might be small, but still, even if it's 10%, I mean that's 5 extra customers that are coming into your door every month just because of this one keyword. And that's why it's important to have good keywords on your text. Another thing about text, Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text that shows who you are, what you do, what locations you service, etc. I can see you have maybe about 700 words of text, so I would definitely increase the amount of text on your front page and also on your other back pages, like your service pages, etc. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. So citations have to do with this part of a Google search. First, once you search for something in Google, first you'll see the Google ads, which are always hit or miss. And I say that because number one, they get to be very expensive depending on your niche. Like concrete and concrete work, contractors and companies, that niche, it gets to be very expensive and also depends on the location. So if I click on any of these guys, I'm going to be costing them a lot of money, your competitors. Then after the ads, you find the map pack. Now this is one of the easiest ways to get a lot of free traffic by being here on the front page. Because all it comes down to is citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet in different directories, and by directories I mean like Yelp, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, Yext, Dexnos, etc. The more citations you're in, and when I say you're in, it means your name, address, and phone number exactly as they are in Google. The more that they are in different relevant niche directories, the higher your rank on this in this section here. People rarely click the more businesses. If you click it on it, you'll see all the businesses in the map pack. And you can see it's location based. However, just the tools out there again that you can find out where your competitors, how many citations they have and where they're cited. So I would, go in there and make sure you're there. But not only that, you beat them by like 50 or 100 different citations so that you remain at the top of the map pack and your competition cannot touch you. Then the third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Now backlinks has to do with this section here, the organic section, where your competitors are ranking here. So if you imagine the internet as a collection of different web pages all linked together, but a backlink would be when one web page links to your web page, and not all backlinks are the same. If a Pizza Hut is linking to you, that will never be as strong as a concrete, let's say it's a concrete forum that has a blog and likes your work and links to you from that blog. Google sees that as more relevant and will raise you up in searches when people are searching for your business. Again, I'm going to use the same tool that I had before, Ahrefs, and I'm going to take this guy, one of your top competitors, and put him into the tool. And then we can now explore the different backlinks he has, which come from 63 domains. And these are the keywords that he has that Google is recognizing him from. So now it will be the job of your website person or your SEO, search engine optimization person, to come in, look at where he has backlinks from, because you can always go to these sites and make sure you have the same amount of heavy relevant backlinks. Not only that, you should actually try and double or triple the amount of backlinks so that you stay on top of the game, stay on top of these searches. Now let me take your website here and put it into this tool, and let's see where you're ranking at with the backlinks. You have about 66 backlinks from 25 domains. So you're not too far behind one of your toughest competitors, so you can definitely defeat them catch up with them in a few months, in maybe 1 month or a month and a half. But not only that, like I said, you want to double or triple the amount of backlinks he has, so that you're found at the top of these searches. And just one last thing about keywords before I finish. I wanted to show you that a keyword, we looked at concrete contractors Houston. There are others ones, like concrete contractors Houston, Texas. 200 people search for that every month. Here's another one, concrete companies Houston. 150 people search for that for every month. So the more and more relevant keywords that you have on your site, the better the content that you have on your site, the more citations you have and the more backlinks you have, you will definitely be able to grab all of that traffic that we've seen that can come to you. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed what I hope I've given you some kind of value. Give this to your people and start getting more and more clients. If you like what you see, and I do have more tricks. Once again, my name is Charles. Please just reply to my email, and I hope that we can discuss later. I will be asking for feedback though after this video. Thank you.